Put the rice in a mesh. Wash it until you see the water clear. Now add this rice to boiling water. Take the bell pepper, slice it into half, and remove the seeds. Sprinkle some salt. Take some oil and brush it inside. We will put them in a tray. Now they have to go in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. I have preheated the oven at 425. Add olive oil. This we will add garlic. We'll add onion. We'll add the cherry tomatoes. I'm also adding some ground cumin to it. Now we will add paprika. We'll add black beans, salt, add the boiled rice. So add some lemon juice now. And we will add cilantro. The stuffing looks good. Now we will put the stuffing into the peppers. Now we'll add some cheese on the top. Ready for baking.